How essential were Roman slaves to the economy? Imagine a society where almost everything depends on one group of people doing the hard work. That was the reality in ancient Rome. Roman slaves were everywhere, and their work kept the economy running smoothly. They worked on farms growing food like wheat, grapes, and olives, which were the main products of the Roman economy. Large estates called latifundia relied on slaves to plant, harvest, and process crops. Without their labor, these estates could not produce enough to trade or support the wealthy landowners. This made the rich even richer but also kept the economy moving. In the cities, slaves worked in workshops making textiles, pottery, and metal tools. They built roads, aqueducts, and huge buildings that showed Roman power. These public projects needed many workers, and slaves filled those roles. They also helped keep the city running by working as cooks, cleaners, and personal servants. Some slaves were skilled artisans or doctors, earning high prices in the slave markets. Others managed estates or even supervised other slaves, creating a hierarchy within slavery itself. The slave trade was a big part of the economy. When Rome expanded through military conquests, it captured thousands of people and sold them in markets. These enslaved individuals became the backbone of many industries. Wealth from owning large numbers of slaves made Roman elites very rich. They used slave labor to increase their landholdings and profits, which widened the gap between the rich and the poor. Many small farmers lost their land because wealthy landowners used slaves to run huge farms. This pushed smallholders into poverty or forced them into cities. The social structure became more divided, with a small elite controlling most of the wealth and land. Slaves were considered property, with no rights, but some earned freedom through manumission. Once freed, they could work and contribute to the economy as free citizens. In short, Roman slaves were vital to keeping the economy alive. They worked in agriculture, industry, and city services, supporting the wealth and power of the ruling class. Their labor shaped Roman society and made the empire's economy possible. Without them, many aspects of Roman life would have come to a halt.